Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair video for you guys using Africanmall hair. Okay guys, so Africanmall sent me this cute bob wig. I left it its natural color and it already had a little bit of a bang, but I'm going to add more of a bang to it as you see in the video. So I bleached the knots on this because you're going to see a little bit of the part and the edges. So I cut the hair a little bit more blunt, but I'm not going to cut the full bang until I put it on my head. But I'm just showing you guys how I styled it and cut it. So I cut a little bit of the bang, but I'm showing you guys how I'm cutting it more into depth. And you could just watch this part. I left two little strands on the side, and then you guys will see how I cut that as well. So enough of the talking, you guys will just see me as I work at this part. So I'm just getting creative at this point. I'm just trying to make it look a little less bulky. So I'm going to be taking my scissors and just kind of cutting it this way to just make it look a little more fringy. See, I'm cutting these two little side parts, you know, with the angle. And don't worry, any extra lace, just cut it off. Any extra long parts, just cut that as well. Taking my flat irons, of course, and just going back in, bumping things out. You know, y'all just want me to do that. I really love this look. It's very cute and just different. I normally wouldn't wear something like this. Took some extra hair out from the sides to just make some sideburns. I feel like it just made it look a little better. You don't have to do sideburns, but I didn't feel like cutting any more lace off. So yeah, I just made some extra sideburns. And you just go back in with your flat irons and do what you gotta do, honey. You can see this is the finished look after I did my makeup and got cute. But I love you guys so much. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.